Yebo ngeneza wethu impela sibona lapha ku General Nhlanhla mkhwanazi njengoba ke esephawula kokuqala ngodaba lomnikelo wemali bequlayo lapha ke izinkundleni kezoxhumana. Kanti ke wengeneza wethu impela ke lokhu kuza ke emva kuba ke yena ku General Nhlanhla mkhwanazi wakwazi ukuthi ke aveze izimfihlo aphinde ke aveze nobuqophololo ke abenziwa yibona ke ama premier kuyibona ke abantu abaphezulu lana ke eMzansi. Kanti ke wengeneza wethu impela ke lonto leyo ke yathinta abantu abaningi ke futhi ke babonakala ke bemeseka ke mkhwanazi futhi ke babonakala ke impela ke bekhathazekile ke ngakho ukuphepha kwakhe. Bafowethu impela ke Chris Excel phaku Twitter wabese wathi cha yazini ke mina ke ngibona ukukuhle ukuthi ke somphakathi ngakhona ke into ke esibonga ngayo ke Nhlanhla mkhwanazi ukuthi ke asivule ke amehlo uthi hey impela ke lobuqhophololo ke ubusuka le phezulu ke kuma premiers. Hayi ke wenganeza wathi impela ke wabese ke sevula ke isikhwama ke uChris Excel wathi cha impela ke idonation ke abantu ke bazoyifaka la bese ke siyombonga kahle ke ubaba ke umkhwanazi. Hayi ke bafowethu impela ke umkhwanazi ke ubethema ngaba ke sePaula wathi cha impela ke njengoba ke mina ke ngiqashiwe uhulumeni ke ngiyawathola amasenti ngiyasebenza so njengoba ke ngisebenza ke angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ke ngingathatha ke imali kodwa ke yona ke imali bafowethu ngiyabonga ngesenzo senu esihle kodwa ke mina ke ngithanda ukuthi ke le mali ke ngingayisebenzisi mina njengomkhwanazi kodwa ke ngicela ukuthi ke iyepha emindenini ke yamaphoyisa awaluza impilo yabo esemsebenzini ebulawa yizona ke izigebengu lesi ke esilwa nazo. Hayi ke wengeneza wethu impela usho njalo phana ku General Nhlanhla mkhwanazi ke ephawula ke engalo ke udaba lomnikelo ethi cha impela ke uzoyihambisa ke emindenini ke yamaphoyisa ke athi alahlekelwa ke eyimpilo ke zawo ke esemsebenzini. Bafowethu ngaphala masikhuluma kakhulu la kwemboso sithi MTV sithi nje ake sinishile yona ke le nkulumo yakhe ke uGeneral Nhlanhla mkhwanazi nani ke nizwele.
This is Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, the Protector Commissioner of the South African Police Service in KwaZulu-Natal. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the ex-user by the name of Chris Excel, who came up with an initiative to raise funds in support of the work that police are doing to keep criminals at bay. Although this original idea supported by those who contributed the money was to buy cars for myself, I appreciate the gesture and the thoughts of goodwill behind the idea of contributing money. I'm a civil servant and the public already thank me enough through the salary that I receive every month. It is their taxes that compensate us as public servants. And I'm privileged to have been one of those chosen few to serve and protect the people of South Africa through my role as a police officer. I therefore would like to ask Chris Excel and those who donated the money to please deposit the money to the South African Police Educational Trust. This is a fund which pays for educational needs of the children of the members of the South African Police Service who died in the line of duty. Every year we gather in a union building in Pretoria where we commemorate the members that died in the line of duty. A majority of these members died at a very young age and the very junior ranks, and therefore they have not contributed that much in terms of their pension, leaving behind the children that need support from us. The South African Police Service Educational Trust Fund takes care of these children by contributing to their educational needs, and we have already seen some of these children who have graduated as a result of the support of this fund. It is the least that the police can do to support the families and the children of our fallen colleagues. This SAPS Trust Fund is run by an independent board of trustees under the leadership of a chairperson, Mr. Nhlanhla. If Chris and all donors are in agreement with the proposal, the money should then be deposited to the following account. It is the net bank account number 1003359 I repeat, net bank account number 1003359 The account name is SAPS Educational Trust. You can use your name as a reference, or you can put any reference that you so wish if you don't want to be known. I'm making a call to everyone who may be able to donate any amount of money to the SAPS Educational Trust Fund to do so for the noble cause of maintaining dignity and securing the future of children of police officers who get to be brutally killed while saving and protecting innocent South Africans. Thank you very much.